Think you've seen all the cool gadgets Amazon has to offer? Think again. From game-changing kitchen tools to mind-blowing home upgrades, these top 30 gadgets are so clever, you'll wonder how you lived without them. Stick around, because the last one might just blow your mind. Say goodbye to cluttered bathrooms. This over-the-toilet storage rack is the ultimate space-saving solution you didn't know you needed. With sleek shelves built to hold towels, toiletries, and more, it turns wasted space into organized bliss. Perfect for small bathrooms or apartments. Style meets function in one smart design. Why wait to upgrade your space? Whether you're heading to a campsite, fishing spot, or just need a quick seat on the go, this portable foldable camping stool has your back. Literally. Lightweight yet sturdy, it folds in seconds and fits easily into any backpack. Comfort and convenience rolled into one compact must-have. Say goodbye to muscle tension with this wooden massager roller stick. Designed to target sore spots and improve circulation, it's perfect for post-workout recovery or everyday relaxation. Its ergonomic wooden design feels natural in hand and works wonders on tired muscles. Your body will thank you. Keep the chill out and the comfort in with this underdoor draft stopper. It's a simple yet super effective way to block cold air, dust, and noise from sneaking in. Perfect for every season. This easy-to-install stopper helps cut energy bills while keeping your home cozy and peaceful. Say goodbye to drilling and hello to effortless installation with these self-adhesive curtain rod holder hooks. Designed for convenience and strength, they stick firmly to smooth surfaces and hold your curtains in place without damaging walls. Ideal for renders or quick makeovers, these hooks offer a sleek, sturdy, and stress-free curtain hanging solution. Say hello to the ultimate kitchen time saver. The 4-in-1 handheld multifunctional electric vegetable chopper. This compact powerhouse chops, blends, grinds, and mixes in seconds, making meal prep effortless and fun. Whether you're dicing onions, mincing garlic, or whipping up fresh salsa, this gadget handles it all with one-touch convenience. Lightweight, portable, and USB rechargeable, it's perfect for home, travel, or even outdoor cooking. Once you try it, there's no going back. Tired of things slipping and sliding around in your drawers or shelves? These non-slip shelf liners are here to save the day. Designed with a textured grip, they keep everything in place. Whether it's in the kitchen, bathroom, or closet, easy to cut, washable, and reusable. They add both function and a neat look to any surface. Say goodbye to bulky drying racks. This wall-mounted retractable clothesline is a space-saving game-changer. With a sleek design and durable build, it easily extends when needed and retracts when not in use. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use, it's ideal for small spaces, balconies, or bathrooms. Dry clothes smartly and stylishly. Tackle stubborn dirt with ease using this nylon bristles brush. Designed with tough yet flexible bristles, it effortlessly scrubs away grime from tiles, sinks, and hard-to-reach corners. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making cleaning quicker and more effective. A must-have tool to keep your home sparkling clean with minimal effort. Maximize your kitchen space with this clever under-cabinet holder. Perfect for storing paper towels, cups, or even kitchen wraps. It keeps essentials within easy reach while freeing up your countertops. Its sleek, space-saving design blends seamlessly with any decor, making organization effortless and stylish. A smart solution for a clutter-free kitchen. Transform your space in minutes with peel and stick wallpaper. This DIY-friendly decor solution is perfect for renters or anyone who loves to refresh their walls without the mess. Easy to apply and remove, it comes in endless styles and patterns to suit every taste. Give your home an instant makeover, no tools needed. This multifunctional drain basket with a built-in spout is a kitchen essential, perfect for washing, draining, and pouring. It makes food prep super easy and mess-free. Its ergonomic design and durable build let you rinse veggies, fruits, or pasta with ease. A smart tool that adds convenience to your daily routine. Say goodbye to leaks and cracks with this heavy-duty waterproof tape designed to seal out water, air, and moisture instantly. This ultra-strong adhesive tape sticks to almost any surface, wet or dry. Whether it's a leaking pipe, broken bucket, or cracked roof, this tape provides a quick, durable, and long-lasting fix. Flexible and weather-resistant, it's a must-have for emergency repairs around the house, car, or outdoors. A small tool that delivers massive results. Maximize your kitchen space with this over-the-sink dish drying rack. Designed to sit right above your sink, it offers a smart way to air dry dishes, utensils, and even fruits and veggies while keeping your countertop clutter-free. With multiple tiers and compartments, it's perfect for organized storage. The rust-resistant, sturdy design adds durability, and the open drainage keeps things clean. It's a sleek, space-saving kitchen upgrade you'll love. Upgrade your storage game with this folding mail corner shelf, perfect for any room. It fits snugly into corners, maximizing unused space while adding a touch of modern style. Its foldable design makes it easy to move or store when not in use. Durable, rust-resistant, and super versatile. Ideal for kitchen, bathroom, or living areas. Transform your kitchen experience with the Smart Kitchen Waterfall Sink. This modern marvel features a sleek waterfall faucet, multifunctional compartments, and built-in accessories like a cutting board, strainer, and drying rack. Designed to save time and space, it turns your sink into a full-on workstation. Whether you're cooking or cleaning, this stylish, all-in-one solution adds elegance and efficiency to any kitchen. Meet your ultimate travel companion, the Travel Blanket Pillow. This cozy 2-in-1 gadget transforms from a soft pillow into a warm, snuggly blanket in seconds. Perfect for flights, road trips, or even office naps. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. Say goodbye to uncomfortable journeys and hello to comfort on the go. Tired of messy piles of shoes? This shoe storage organizer with covers is your perfect fix. Designed to keep your footwear dust-free and neatly arranged, it's ideal for entryways, closets, or under the bed. With clear covers for easy visibility and durable compartments, it brings order and elegance to your shoe game effortlessly. This hanging small trash can is a game-changer for compact spaces, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or even car use. It hooks onto cabinets or drawers for easy, hands-free disposal. Its sleek, space-saving design keeps your area tidy while making cleanup quick and convenient. Whether you're slicing slicing veggies or organizing your vanity, this bin's always within reach. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops with this sleek kitchen storage cabinet. Designed to maximize space and add elegance, it's perfect for storing utensils, dry goods, or appliances. Its compact yet spacious design keeps everything organized and within reach. Whether your kitchen is big or small, this cabinet brings both style and smart storage to the table. Upgrade your cooking game with this powerful electric gas stove burner. Designed for fast heating and consistent performance, it's perfect for quick meals, gourmet dishes, and everything in between. Its sleek, compact design fits any kitchen, while the sturdy build ensures long-lasting use. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this burner brings precision, convenience, and a touch of modern magic to your culinary routine. Say goodbye to slippery floors with this non-slip, water-resistant mat. Designed for ultimate safety and comfort, it provides a firm grip even in wet conditions, perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or entryways. Its quick-dry technology and durable build make it both practical and long-lasting. Stylish yet functional, this mat not only protects your floors but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your space. Make watering your garden or washing your car hassle-free with this brass quick water hose connector. Built from heavy-duty, corrosion-resistant brass, it ensures a leak-proof, secure fit and long-lasting durability. The Quick Connect design lets you snap your hose on and off effortlessly, saving time and avoiding mess. Compatible with most standard hoses, it's perfect for gardening, lawn care, or outdoor cleaning. Whether you're a weekend gardener or a pro, this smart little connector makes every job smoother, quicker, and more efficient. Keep your sink area neat and tidy with this telescopic kitchen sink caddy. Designed to adjust and fit most sinks, it offers a convenient place to store sponges, scrubbers, and dishcloths. With drainage holes to keep everything dry and hygienic, this compact yet expandable organizer makes kitchen cleanup quicker and more efficient. No more messy counters. Say goodbye to flimsy plastic bags and hello to this heavy-duty reusable shopping bag. Built with premium, tear-resistant fabric, this eco-friendly bag can hold all your groceries, produce, and household items without breaking a sweat. Its reinforced handles and spacious design make it perfect for heavy loads, while its foldable feature makes storage a breeze. Whether you're heading to the supermarket, farmer's market, or on a picnic, this bag is your ultimate companion. Durable, washable, and reusable, saving money and the planet in one go. Transform any space instantly with this self-adhesive flexible mirror sheet. Lightweight, shatterproof, and easy to apply, this mirror sheet sticks effortlessly to walls, doors, closets, or even crafts. Whether you're upgrading your home decor or adding functionality to small spaces, its flexible design molds to curved surfaces too. No need for nails or tools, just peel, stick, and shine. Ideal for renters, DIY lovers, or anyone craving a quick and stylish home upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you found these amazing gadgets as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool finds. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for even more genius products that can make your life smarter, easier, and way more fun.